Happy birthday, Tito
Tito
Rando.
Rando.
Hi, Kuya Randolph. Happy 40th birthday. And wishing you all the best. Thank you for your support to all of us. And now that life begins at 40, sabi nga nila, may you start another journey in your life as you start another work in your life. And hopefully, maging part ako ng iyong um, Project Pandesal soon. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tito Rando.
Up.
Happy 40th birthday po. Thank you po sa lahat ng gifts na pinigay niyo. At saka support. Happy birthday!
Pukoy.
Happy birthday, Tito Bo. Wishing you all the best. Happy birthday po.
Bye!
Bye-bye.
Clap, clap, clap.